Okay. Now we will discuss anemophily. So, what are the characteristics features of anemophily? What do you mean by anemophily? This I have told you. It is pollination by wind. Anemophily is wind pollination. So, what are the adaptation for the anemophilous flowers? Flowers in this case are small, colorless, odorless and nectarless because it is taken by wind. तो फ्लावर्स क्या होते हैं इस केस में? इट इज स्मॉल, कलरलेस, odorless and nectarless, and it is inconspicuous. Calyx and corolla reduced or absent. Calyx and corolla, you can say it is reduced or absent. It is not bright as in case that in ornithophily, or it can which is taken by insects. Okay, and very important point is pollen grain. What is the specialty in this case? Pollen grains, it should be heavy or light. Light obviously because it is taken by wind. They should be small, light, dry, dusty and saccate. What is the meaning of this term? Wing. Why? So that they can be easily blown to long distance up to 1300 kilometer. Okay, and pollen grain is produced in huge quantities. Pollen grains which are produced is in huge quantities. Okay, for example, in case of cannabis, how many pollen grains are produced? Around 5 lakh. Cannabis में pollen grains जो produce होता है about मतलब produces about 5 lakh. ओके, स्टिग्मा कैसे लार्ज है, वेल एक्सपोज, हेयरी, फेदर और ब्रांच. ओके, एंड दे ऑल्सो शो अ गन पाउडर मैकेनिज्म. द एंथर्स जो होते हैं वो सडनली बर्स्ट हो जाते हैं. द एंथर्स बर्न सडनली टू थ्रो द pollen grains into the air. इसमें क्या होता है, एंथर्स बर्स्ट होते हैं और जो pollen grains जो होते हैं एयर में थ्रोन हो जाते हैं. इट इज़ नोन एज गन पाउडर मैकेनिज्म एंड इट टेक्स प्लेस इन यूटिका. And what else? The flower should be well exposed in air. Now entomophily. Entomophily means pollination by insects. Okay. Insects pollination. Now it is taken by insect. Obviously जो flowers होंगे इस केस में कैसे होंगे? Large, bright, conspicuous. Okay, and it should be very attractive. Large, bright, and showy, so that it gets attracted towards insects, pollinators. Okay, and next is It produces specific odors to attract specific insects. For example, jasmine, rose produce specific and pollen grains in some plants it is edible. Okay. Of some plants are edible. Okay. For example, rosa. In case of rosa and magnolia. Nectar. Okay, it is an important source of food for insects, pollinator. Okay. Next is hydrophily. Hydro word is related to water. So it means water pollination. In this case, flowers are small, colorless, odorless, nectarless, and the very important point is calyx, corolla, and other parts are unwettable. Okay, remember this word. Pollen grains and stigma are generally unwettable in this case. Pollen and the stigma are generally unwettable. And what else? Stigma are long and sticky. Stigma कैसे होने चाहिए इसमें? Long and it should be sticky. And it is not very common and it occurs only in few aquatic plants, for example Vallisneria, Hydrilla. Okay, and what else? In case of ornithophily, that is pollination by birds, in case the flowers is also a large in size, the flowers are brightly or they are scentless. In okay, this much is enough for. And in the bat pollination, in this case what happens, the flowers are large, dull color, but have a very strong scent and secrete more nectar compared to ornithophily. Okay, so I have completed this topic, pollination. Okay, next we will start fertilization. Okay.